So you've taken care of the hard part, you've downloaded Minecraft Education Edition, and you've logged in, and now you're ready to play. First thing you want to do, make sure that you are logged in by looking above your character and seeing your credentials there. You'll probably see a costume that is very generic if you're playing for the first time. If you wish, you can change it by clicking the clothes hanger and scrolling down and choosing another costume. Might be kind of cool to do themes based on what you're learning in the classroom, but there's a whole bunch of different themes that you can have. Once you have your costume set, let's get into creating and joining our very first Minecraft Education Edition world. We're going to click play. Once we go into play, we're going to go to View Library. In the View Library, Minecraft has given us lessons, monthly build challenge, biomes and worlds, and even tutorial videos. So when you click into one of these, they will take you to a variety of worlds that you can take your students to. These are all pre-made, and there's not much you have to do other than taking your students there and implementing the lesson. So we can see that it's broken into subjects such as math, science, ELA, computer science, and you can download any one of these pre-made lessons. So if we click on science, for example, and now we have a chemistry tutorial in here, and simply by clicking on it, we would go create world, and that would add it to our library. Let's go back. In monthly build challenges, Minecraft will give you new challenges every month, and you can see there's kind of a new one right here. But you can also look at past ones, and some of them are really fun to kind of introduce your students to Minecraft Education Edition. You will probably notice very quickly that the students don't need much practice, and they'll actually be helping us practice once we get into the worlds. So you can click on any one of those and try those ones. One of my favorites is the Biomes and Worlds, because these are essentially blank canvases of beautiful natural scenes that we can study in school, where we can have students build their very own projects. So you can see here we have badlands, we have blocks of grass, just a blank field, a desert biome, forest biome, all sorts, ocean biome. These ones are blank canvases that are really fun for you and the students to explore and maybe do a virtual field trip. And then finally, in the how to play, here is a start here tutorial and additional tutorials. These ones here will help you as an educator or the students learn how to play the game. Let's get into our very first world. Let's go into biomes, and let's go into the river biome. So when we click on the river biome, we will now go create world. Once we've created the world, it's going to import it into our Minecraft Education Edition library, and now it's helped us join this. Now when you look around, yes, it's very blocky because that is the signature Minecraft kind of landscapes, but you can see that it is a pre-constructed beautiful world that you could do a virtual field trip. Students could have an activity such as build a little camp out, a sustainable campsite. Maybe they have to build a structure in this world. Maybe you're studying caves and you want to build a cave. There's endless possibilities with this. Just simple navigating instructions by double-clicking the space bar will allow you to start flying. When you press W on your keyboard, it will move you forward. S will take you backwards. A will be left. D will be right. When you want to land in a space, you just simply double-click the space bar again and it will bring you back down to the ground. To get into your inventory, you'll want to press E, and this is how we start building things. And then there are a code builder with C and a sneak with the shift button, and that would just be to crouch down and sneak up on somebody. As you can see, these landscapes are pre-constructed and they are very fun just to explore. Start by joining your very own world and play around with some of the settings. Students can all play in their own independent worlds, or eventually in further follow-up videos, we'll teach you how you can get your students all in the same world as you so you can play in real time together. Thanks so much for watching this introduction to getting your own worlds video, and happy Minecrafting.